Wix Site Builder Report? Yes, Wix Site Builder Report refers to the built-in tools that help you measure, analyze, and improve your website's performance. Through the Wix dashboard, you can access detailed analytics showing how many people visit your site, where they come from, how long they stay, and which pages perform best. These insights help you understand your audience and make smarter business decisions. Wix also provides SEO and site health reports that scan your website for issues that could affect visibility on search engines. It identifies missing tags, broken links, or unoptimized content and gives you clear recommendations to improve. This makes it easy for beginners to enhance their site's ranking and performance without hiring technical experts. For online stores, Wix generates sales and traffic reports that track revenue, customer behavior, and conversion trends. Everything is available in one place, giving you a complete picture of your website's success and growth potential. You can start using Wix's Site Builder reports for free right now by clicking the link in the description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to analyze, optimize, and grow your professional website at no cost.